Got this Bill Dart chainsaw rack mounted up with this little 10-inch battery operated chainsaw, just for some light trail clearing. It's done everything I asked it to today. Did a few 15-inch logs, a lot of aspens like this, smaller one there. This is locked down pretty good. I'll roll in some footage, some rocky, rough trail, and this thing just locked in. Let's see how this handles. Got a nice rocky trail up here. Let's see how this thing holds on. So far, here comes the rocks. Right at the stream bed. get the front end up. Hasn't moved an inch. Put a little block right here to keep it from rocking that way. A little bit of rubber right there on the dog. Keep it forward from coming forward too much, but that's locked on there pretty good. Got some quick and easy detachment. Just grab that and done. See what this saw will do. Mounted up to the gas TPI. It's 300 EX. Show you how we got it mounted up here. Mounts into your fender there and up into your triple clamp. Had to do some modifications up here to get this mounted up. Got the TPI cluster indicator lights there. Show you how I did that. Got some blocks to kind of lock this down in this area. Got a little block with a piece of rubber on it, and a piece of rubber right here by this dog to keep it from rocking forward. And I put a little piece right here on the chainsaw to keep it from pulling backwards. Pull this saw off, but it's really quick and easy to get off. Pull that down. Pull that off. This comes right out. Just got this taped in there for now. But you can see how I've stepped it there to kind of lock in the handle. Up on top here, how to make a little spacer right in here to go in front of the light cluster there, and then that's a 1/4 of an inch, and then behind that's a 1/2 inch spacer here. And these are 2 1/2 inch spacers. Down on the fender, it's kind of hard to get this mounted up, but right in here, how to take a Dremel rotary tool and just kind of hollow that out so you can get a T-handle in here. And then there's 2 1/2 inch spacers on the other side of these tabs that come down and screw right into your triple clamps there, your fork clamp. Pretty impressed. It's a minimalist, lightweight design.